dear students. Today we are discussing unit number 3 of contributor personality development. That is the contributor's vision of success. Now as you know, success is very debatable term. For everyone, success may mean different things. Everyone may have different concepts of success. So first of all, it is your turn. You must explore the meaning of success. What is success according to you? Think about it. Well, success may mean different things, but there are mainly two facets or two sides of success. We can say one side is external success and the other side is inner success. Generally, what we see is only the external success. External success means material success, achievements, awards and trophies, external impact, power and position. All these things we desire in our life. We want material success. We want naturally a lot of money, a big house, cars, etc. All these things we need, and we believe this is the success, but this is only a symbol of the external success. Then some people give importance to various type of achievements. If you have a lot of awards and trophies and everything, then some people feel that they are successful, they run after them. Some desire to have external impact. A lot of people must be working under you and a lot of people get impressed by you. That is the external impact, and that is also a part of the external success only. Then some people give importance to power and position. We must have high position and we must have power over so many people. Such type of concept may be there in the mind of so many people and they believe that this is the success. But all these things are the symbols of success, but that is only external success, and generally non-contributor people run after these type of successes. Of course, these are important things, but the basic thing, the another facet of success is important. We must judge success from the two levels, and the inner success. What is the inner success? That we must understand that after doing some work, when we feel that there is a development in our personal capabilities, if we have a scope to enlarge our capabilities or widen our capabilities by doing some work, that is the real success. After finishing our task, if we feel that no, our capabilities, our skills have developed to certain level, then it is the real success. That is the inner success. The feeling you get, that is inner success. After this type of thing, you feel personal fulfillment, a type of satisfaction. That is the inner success. And all these things, self-judgment, and when you feel that your capabilities, your skills have developed by doing certain things, there would be an increase in your self-esteem. Self-esteem is very important. It is different from ego. Ego is a negative term, while self-esteem is a positive term. We must have high respect for ourselves. If we respect ourselves, then people are going to respect us. But this self-esteem will be created only if we take different tasks, we solve different tasks, and there would be increase in our personal capabilities, and we feel this type of feeling of personal fulfillment. Then there would be high self-esteem, and that is a type of inner success. we must get job satisfaction after doing our work. So this type of success the contributors want. Contributors don't run generally after the external success. They desire and they deserve this type of inner success. So there is a difference. There are two facets of success. if you want success in your life, naturally you want, then keep in mind this facet also, because inner success is more important. External success you can get easily, but inner success is very difficult, and you will have to work hard to get this type of inner success, and then you will feel that you are really successful, you are really happy, and you are really satisfied. Okay, thank you very much.